Imagine your clothes, your favorite shirt, your towels. Every day they end up here, inside this washing machine. It looks clean, right? But is it really? Let's take a closer look. Mold. Yes, mold in your washing machine. You're entrusting your clothes to something that looks like this? Residue. Dried up remnants of liquids, powders, and sometimes even bacteria. Is this where cleanliness is supposed to begin? And this? The filter. Inside, there's everything. Coins, dirt, and even a smell you don't want on your clothes. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to save your washing machine, your clothes, and your home's cleanliness. Step by step, we'll clean this appliance like never before. Let's start with preparation. You'll need a few things: vinegar, baking soda, warm water, a toothbrush, and a bit of patience. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, the detergent drawer. Gently remove it. Look inside. Dried up residue that ends up in your laundry every single day. Soak it in warm water with vinegar. 1 cup of vinegar per bowl of water. Now grab your toothbrush. In those little nooks and crannies hides dirt that's been sabotaging your laundry for years. Scrub thoroughly. Dry it. And the spot where the drawer goes? Cover it with cloth soaked in a mixture of water and vinegar. After 30 minutes, clean it. Now the drum. It looks clean, right? But the real problem lies deeper. Pour 2 cups of vinegar or add 100 grams of citric acid into the detergent drawer. Run an empty cycle on the highest temperature. It will work wonders on limescale and bacteria. Done? Then it's time for the next step, the seal. This is where mold often hides. Look at what's under it. Ugly, right? But don't worry. Prepare a solution of water and vinegar, soak a cloth, and wipe the seal thoroughly. For stubborn dirt, baking soda and a toothbrush. It works. The pump filter, it's responsible for proper water flow. Open the flap, prepare a bowl. There will be water. Take out the filter and look at the gunk inside, hair, threads, and sometimes even pieces of clothing. Rinse it thoroughly under running water. See the difference? Let's not forget the exterior. Wipe down the casing, clean the door glass. This is the final touch to make your washing machine look like new. Finally, let's freshen up the whole thing. Half a cup of baking soda or 1 cup of vinegar into the drum, 2 dishwasher tablets, and a cycle at 60 degrees. After all this, your washing machine will be ready for new laundry. Remember, regular cleaning is essential. Your washing machine is an investment. Take care of it, and it will serve you for years. And now, it's time to act. Do it today, and see how your laundry gains a new level of freshness. Your washing machine is a dirt bomb. Residue, mold, bacteria. Do you really want your clothes to come into contact with this every day? Don't risk your health or laundry quality. Check out the recommended cleaning product. Link in the description. It effectively removes grime and protects your machine.